Join me as I dive into the world of plantains. Plantains are a staple food that brings people together. Whether they're fried, boiled, or mashed, it's hard to imagine a meal without them. But today, we're going to talk about more than just their delicious taste. We're going to explore the incredible health benefits that make plantains a super. I'm guessing many of you might be thinking, wait, aren't plantains just another type of banana? Well, let me tell you, they're not. While they're both part of the same family, plantains are starchier, bigger, and more versatile than bananas. And yet, even with their differences, they're often misunderstood and underestimated. It's time to change that. One of the main reasons we tend to overlook plantains is because we don't know much about them. We don't know how to cook them or what they can do for our health. But the truth is, plantains have been a staple food for centuries, and they've been providing incredible benefits to those who eat them regularly. It's time to uncover the truth about plantains and give them the recognition they deserve. So, let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. Plantains are not just a tasty side dish. They're a nutrient-dense food that can revolutionize the way we eat. They're packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that can help us feel better, look better, and even live longer. It's time to take plantains seriously and recognize their value as a healthy food choice. Plantains are a rich source of fiber, which means they can help regulate our digestion and prevent constipation. They're also packed with vitamins A and C, potassium, and magnesium, making them an excellent choice for healthy bones, skin, and eyes. And if that's not enough, plantains contain antioxidants that can help protect us from free radicals and reduce our risk of chronic diseases. One of the most impressive things about plantains is their ability to support healthy blood sugar levels. With their low glycemic index, plantains are an excellent choice for people with diabetes or those who are trying to manage their blood sugar levels naturally. They're also a great source of energy, making them an excellent snack for athletes or anyone who needs a natural boost. Incorporating plantains into your diet can have a significant impact on your overall health. They can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and even support healthy weight loss. And the best part is, they're incredibly versatile, so you can experiment with different recipes and find what works best for you. So, what can you do with plantains? You can fry them, boil them, mash them, or even make delicious plantain chips. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are undeniable. Plantains are a superfood that deserves a place in your kitchen and in your diet. In summary, plantains are not just a tasty side dish, they're a nutritious food that can revolutionize the way we eat. They're packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that can help us feel better, look better, and even live longer. So, go ahead, give plantains a try, and discover the amazing health benefits they have to offer. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite ways to prepare plantains. And if you're looking for more healthy eating tips, be sure to check out our next video.